In this question, the resistance of two conductors in parallel is 12 ohm and in series is 50 ohm. Find the resistance of each conductor. If you understand this question with a figure, as you see in this figure, we have two arrangements. This is our series arrangement and here is the parallel arrangement. So according to the question, total resistance of the series is known. It's 50 ohm and parallel is 12 ohm. But the resistance of R1 and R2 is not given. So we have to find the value of R1 and R2. But the same type of resistors are used in both the in series arrangement. We know that R is equal to R1 plus R2. R is the total resistance. So total resistance is here 50. 50 is equal to R1 plus R2. Now we can write it as R1 is equal to 50 minus R2. So this we consider as equation 1. Similarly, in parallel arrangement, 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So here R is 12. 1 by R1, can we write it as 50 minus R2 from equation 1 plus 1 by R2. Now further, 1 by 12 is equal to R2 plus 50 minus R2 divided by R2 bracket 50 minus R2. So here this R2 and R2 gets cancelled. 1 by 12 is equal to 50 by R2, 50 minus R2. Now we can transpose it. So R2, 50 minus R2 is equal to 12 into 50. Here 50 R2 minus R square is equal to 600 we can write. Further, R2 square minus 50 R2 plus 600 is equal to 0. So if we use the middle term splitting concept, so R2 square minus 30 R2 minus 20 R2 plus 60 is equal to 0. R2 we can take common, R2 minus 30, and here minus 20 we can take common, again R2 minus 30 is equal to 0. So from here R2 minus 30 and R2 minus 20 is equal to 0. So from here we can say that R2 value could be 20 or 30. So if we take R2 as 20 and we substitute this value in equation 1 here in this part, so from here we can say that R1 is equal to 50 minus 20, it's equal to 30. So here R1 is equal to 30. If R2 is equal to 30, so R1 is equal to 50 minus 30, it's equal to 20. So from here we can say that R1 or R2, anyone could be 20 or 30. So our answer of this question is R1 is if 20, then R2 is equal to 30 or vice versa. So this is the answer of this question.